Guys, today we're making a homemade chocolate spread. It's very simple. For that you just need 50 grams of dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate if you want. I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar in it, granulated sugar, and I will also add half cup of milk in it. And I'm going to put all these things on a medium heat for getting cooked. You need to put the chocolate in medium heat, otherwise your chocolate could burn. So as you can see, everything is melting. The chocolate is melting slowly inside the milk, and I'm going to wait for it to bubble and get a little simmer. As you can see that there's a boils coming in my the chocolate spread is bubbling up. Now at this point I will add 1 tablespoon corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water inside the chocolate, and I will wait for it to thicken. As you know, corn flour acts as a thickening agent for the chocolate, and it makes the chocolate spread really thick. So as you know that this is amazing. This is an amazing chocolate spread. You can put it on your sandwiches, and or you can eat it with your churros, or you can do anything you like. You can also store it in the fridge for nearly 1 or 2 months. So at this point you can see that the chocolate spread is thickened, and it's completely done, and it's yours chocolate